In this small video, I will explain how we can edit the commercial margin using two distant approaches. The first one, and the default one, it consists in defining the margin at each individual table with associated costs. This way allows us to define different margins for different tables. For example, the injection machines. We can define the hourly costs and include the corresponding margin. The same for the steel types. Here we have a cost per kilo, and a commercial margin should be considered here too. The final example for work costs. In this case, costs for each operations, depending on the mold type and the operation itself. Once again, a commercial margin should be considered when editing the values. In summary, with this approach, the total calculated cost will take into account the different commercial margins we defined at the databases. The second approach requires to change the default option by opening Preferences, Settings, and then check the option All Costs. Values in the custom database already include a commercial margin. We should hit Apply, and as you can see, a new field named Margin appears down here, and we just need to click inside the white rectangle and enter a certain value that will be added to our total calculated cost. By using this approach, we just need to be careful and confirm that the different costs do not have any margin added to the defined values, because it will be lately considered at the margin field. This is a new functionality available from the 1.9 version of QUICKQUOTE that you can use to change the way you want to consider your commercial margin in a particular mold quotation.